Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Sunday. This morning started off with a bit of drizzle over the southwestern Cape. There's dense high-level cloud visible to the south of the country, but there's also another front slowly but surely approaching the Western Cape during the course of today. It was a clear start to the day over the central and eastern parts of South Africa, where we're actually expecting a very pleasant afternoon. It's a dry forecast for most today, except for the far southwestern parts, where there's a bit of rain in the forecast again for late this evening and throughout the early morning hours tomorrow. That's as a result of an elongated cold front moving in from the south. This will keep the onshore flow going in the southwestern Cape, resulting in cloudy, cooler conditions, and we're expecting the rain to spread to the south coast as well. Meanwhile, a band of high cloud will move across South Africa, resulting in partly cloudy weather, but tomorrow will be fine and warm in the Lowveld and the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Today is another breezy day ahead of the approaching front in the west. Sutherland speeds up to 30 kilometers per hour, fresh winds in Cape Town as well. Lighter winds along the south coast of the Western Cape, but strong southwesterlies are expected in PE and East London. Moderate to fresh northwesterlies across the Free State and Highveld as well, and a fairly breezy afternoon in Richards Bay with a wind speed up to 30 kilometers per hour. That's causing the high temperatures over the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal. 27 degrees in Richards Bay. It's hot as well in the Lowveld. 28 degrees in Bombela. 22 expected in Pretoria with a high of 20 in Johannesburg. It's still cool in the Free State with 17 in Bloemfontein today, 13 in the R, and Sutherland very cold due to all that cloud cover and a high of only 8 degrees expected, 15 likely in Cape Town. Tomorrow morning will be cool over the central parts of South Africa, but due to a lot of high cloud covering the country, temperatures are not dropping below 0. 0 degrees in Bloemfontein, 2 expected in Kimberley overnight, 8 degrees in Vredendal, Cape Town down to 13, 11s in PE and Bishu, and it's going to be a mild start to the day in the Lowveld and the north coast of KZN, with a minimum of 14 degrees in Richards Bay and 13 in Bombela. Daytime temperatures reaching the lower 30s over parts of the Lowveld, 29 degrees in Bombela on Monday, mid-20s for KZN. In Cape Town, light rain with cloudy conditions and a high of only 16 degrees. By Tuesday, there's still a possibility of light rain in the far southwestern parts with partly cloudy mild weather over the central parts. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your day.